Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the way of finding out the circumcenter of a triangle. Before that I am going to say that this series which we have started doing related to functional groups in organic chemistry is stopped temporarily because of exams. On having exams to me, I have stopped doing that series of functional groups in organic chemistry temporarily. I will continue that by putting these all videos which I am doing now aside to the series surely, because I am doing these videos for my revising purpose. If I did any mistake in doing this video, please forgive me for that, but the mistake which I had done in this video was, if it was a huge mistake, I may lose marks in exam. So comment the mistake which I had done. Let me go into the video. Here we are going to find out the way of I am going to say the way of finding out the circumcenter of a triangle. First of all, what does the circumcenter mean? Circumcenter is nothing but the perpendicular bisector. The point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors is nothing but a circumcenter of a triangle. Here, what does a perpendicular bisector mean? Perpendicular bisector is nothing but the line which divides the triangle into two equal parts is called as a perpendicular bisector. Here, as the perpendicular bisector divides the line into two equal parts, the distance between let me assume that the point of intersection of a triangle be S. If it is a S, this is a circumcenter, isn't it? Yes. Here, the distance between S to A is equals to the distance between S to B is equals to the distance between S to C. As it is a perpendicular bisector, the point of intersection of perpendicular bisector satisfies this condition. So, in order to do this condition, in order to implement in finding out the circumcenter, we want points. In case of equations, in case of equations, it is impossible to find out the circumcenter. But I am not saying that with I am saying that with equations it is impossible, but by converting the equations into points we can find out. We know that these are three lines, right? These are three lines. These three lines has a unique equation. Here, this line is joining at point A. These two lines are joining at point A. These two lines are joining at point B. Again, these two lines are joining at point C. Here, as these three are having equations, by finding out the point of intersection between them, we can able to find out these 3 points. By these 3 points, we can use this condition to find out 2 more equations. By getting the 2 more equations, we can find out the point of intersection between them. That is nothing but the circumcenter of a triangle. Now, why should we find out the point of intersection between this line and this line? Because we have a see, these two lines having a common point. As these two lines are having common point, this point satisfies the equation that this line has, as well as it satisfies the equation this line which it has. Because of that reason, we have to use the point of intersection formula or the process of finding out the point of intersection to get the point to get the point. Here, as these two lines are having a similar point, these two lines are nothing but the family of straight lines. We are not going into the deep. Here I am going to say the way of finding out circumcenter. Here we have 3 points. Let me assume that we have already found the point of intersection of three lines. There a is equals to minus 2 comma 3, b is equals to 2 comma minus 1, and c is equals to 4 comma 0. Here we have 3 points. If we have to find these 3 points, we have to find out the point of intersection of these two lines and these two lines and these two lines. I think you may know the point of intersection formula, or the process of doing point of intersection, the process of finding out the point of intersection. If you don't know, comment me below. I will also do video on that after my examinations. But let me go into this video. Here this is a condition, right, where S is the circumcenter of a triangle. Let S of h comma k be, we have to in exam point of view, we have to write let S of h comma k be the circumcenter of a triangle. Then first of all we have to say that a is equals to minus 2 comma 3, b is equals to 2 comma minus 1, c is equals to 4 comma 0. Then we have to say that let S of h comma k be the circumcenter of a triangle. Then we have to write condition SA equal to SB equal to SC. Here SC is equal to SB equal to SC. I am writing. Here, again let me go to the triangle now. As I said that the distance between A to S is equals to the distance between S to B is equals to the distance between S to C. That means the equation, by equaling these two, we get the equation by equaling these two, we get two equations, right? By equaling any two times, if we do it, we get two equations. So the two equations, by finding out the two equations, we can able to find out the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors of these lines. We can able to find out the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors. Here I am choosing first of all SA equal to SB. SCA is equals to SB. Here S is nothing but S of h comma k. These are the coordinates of S. That is nothing but circumcenter. A coordinates we have already. Here let me continue doing it. We have to do distance. We have to use distance formula. Before that I am squaring on both sides in order to remove the root. We know that the formula of distance is under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. But as there is root, it is quite difficult to find out the circumcenter of a triangle. The equation, it is quite hard to find out the equation first. So in order to find out equation, we have to remove the root. By applying square on both sides, we can able to cancel roots that these two sides possess. I have applied the squares on both sides. Now root is cancelled. S is nothing but h comma k. These are x1 comma y1 here in this case. Here x2 comma y2. Now h minus, by substituting it in the distance formula, we get h, as it is minus, I am writing it as plus, because minus into minus plus. H plus 2 whole square plus k minus 3 whole square. is equals to, similarly, h minus, this is x2 comma y2, this is x1 comma y1 as it is, h minus 2 whole square plus k minus, means k here as it is having minus 1, we are writing plus 1 here, plus k plus 1 whole square. H plus 2 whole square is nothing but a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square's formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That means h square plus 4 plus 2ab means 2 to the 4 h. Similarly, k square plus 9 plus 9 minus is nothing but a square minus a minus b whole square, right? That means a square plus b square minus 2ab. So by using that formula, I am writing k square plus 9 minus 6k. That is equal to h square plus 4 minus 4h plus k square plus 1 plus 2k. Have I missed anything here? H square plus 4 plus 4h plus k square plus 9 minus 6k. Again h square plus 4 minus 4h plus k square plus 1 plus 2k. If we do any mistake here, the whole problem which we do becomes wrong. So we should careful on doing these problems. Here, this if h square come this side, it will become minus. H square minus h square is nothing but 0. Because instead of doing that, I am directly cancelling this both. Similarly, I am cancelling these both. Shall I cancel 4h and 4h? No, if we cancel those both, the answer we get is wrong because it is minus. The signs are different here. If it comes this side, it will become plus 8h, plus 4h. So we have cancelled the like terms. Now I am adding these both. 4h plus 13 minus 6k is equals to 4 minus 4h, 5 minus 4h plus 2k. I am sending this all to RHS side, then it will become, by adding, see, if it comes this side, if 4h comes this side, it will become plus 4h. That means 4h plus 4h is nothing but 8h. I am writing directly. Again, if in order to understand this video, see 3 to 2 times to understand. If you see this video, you may get some clarity. Here 5, we have 5, right? We have 5. If it comes this side, it will become minus 5. That is nothing but minus 8. Again, I am sending this to this side, LHS side. It will become minus 2, minus 8, minus 6, minus 2 is nothing but minus 8. As it is having k, I am writing k. K is equals to 0. I sent everything to LHS side. Then as these 3 terms having 8 as common, I am taking 8 as common, then I get h minus, I am writing it after the k minus 1, 0. That is nothing but h minus k minus 1 equal to 0. Isn't it? Have we done any mistake in finding out? No, nothing, I think so. This is the equation number 1. Now, similar thing let we do for the equation, let we do for SB equal SC condition.